Good evening, traders, and welcome to BCR's Evening Market Outlook. Let's take a quick look at today's key moves across markets. Starting with oil, Brent crude edged higher yesterday, climbing above $68 per barrel in thin trading due to the US Labor Day holiday. Market focus is now on this weekend's OPEC meeting, where expectations are for production levels to remain unchanged in October. Over the past 6 months, the group has already phased out 2.2 million barrels per day of voluntary cuts. With oversupply concerns for next year, the bigger risk may be that OPEC decides to reintroduce production cuts. Meanwhile, reports out of Brazil suggest that the US is considering new trade measures in response to Brazil's growing imports of Russian diesel, which now averages to about 590,000 tons per month. Turning to the US labor market, non-farm payrolls is expected to rise by 60,000 in August, driven by modest private sector gains, while government employment shows no growth. Federal government jobs are projected to fall by 20,000, with state and local jobs flat. Historical trends also point to a downside bias in preliminary August payroll data, which could further weigh on results. The unemployment rate is expected to edge up to 4.3% from 4.25 in July, though some of the July surge in new entrants may be reversed. Average hourly earnings are forecast to rise 0.3% month on month, slightly supported by calendar effects. Finally, onto gold. What a day, what a week. Prices have broken out of a multi-month consolidation pattern, confirming a bullish technical setup. Prices are now testing April peak near 3,500, with momentum indicators still supportive. Analysts are highlighting 3,575 to 3,600 as the next target, with further resistance around 3,650. On the downside, initial support is seen around 3,450 in the event of a pullback. That's all for today's evening market outlook. Stay tuned with BCR for more updates as we track market developments through the week. As always, manage your risk and happy trading.